Hello and welcome back to Dalakan. Today we are back on the I'll call it the train restoration while I'm waiting for these to upload. Actually, well, by the time that you see these, I'm actually currently away from them. Well, probably permanently, or possibly permanently, because these can't come with us to Darwin, and we're currently not in Darwin. No siree. So, these are the small screwdrivers I could find. They are a bit too big, but, you know, so are the screws. So, let's take these two trains apart. I will start with the black train. Not being racist. So, it looks... Ooh, hello. Those lights or... There's two wires here. But the odd thing is that there's only one wire leading to each light. So that's interesting. Hello. Hello. Hello, what's that? Oh, sorry. Hello. I think I figured out something here. Right, let me just wire this back up.
Just thought I'd try FaceTime while you're over at Jeanette's place.
Hello, I think I figured out something here. I don't think these wheels actually conduct at all.
No, it's just reception over here, but it doesn't look like it's going to do anything. Are you getting a FaceTime request over there? No, okay, yeah, it's too little signal.
So I'll just grab another wire. Actually, wait a minute, I'll use
That's alright.
another one of my short wires, one I'm not going to use. I think that those are actually the conductors. No pun intended.
Reception area. Yeah, if you like. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. Okay.
So if I just... whatever.
Just the one.
Okay, so if I... So I'll keep an eye out for any sparks. Yep, there's definitely a spark there. Okay, so that's shorting out.
The green one. Yeah.
That's not.
Anything?
Okay, so that train is pretty much stuffed. It's stuffed. It's definitely stuffed. Okay, so here's the tear down. Well, the very gentle and not so very dramatic tear down.
Alright, that's right. Yeah, no problem. It's reception.
Hello, there's a screw in there. And I don't think my screwdriver's going to fit down there. Yep, it's not going to fit down there. It looks like that this train will have to be put off until I can get a small screwdriver. Yeah. Oh, hello. Maybe it won't have to be. That's loose. Alright, let's keep on doing this. There we go. I think that's got it. Hello, wait, there's two screws here. Heel ho. Where's my phone? That's my phone's out there, isn't it? I'm trying to get the reception. Alright, I don't know if I need to take off those, but I do think I need to take these off. Alright, so we've got no screws missing. I think all screws I'm going to put in here. Because that way I'll not lose them. Oh god. That's one screw out. Oh, hello. No, it's not. It's both screws out. Where'd the other one go? Only one fell out. What? That's strange. Okay. You can see that there is loose. Okay. Ah. No, it's not. That's not it. Yeah. Wait, maybe this needs to be taken off a bit more. Nope, there's the other one. This is not the right tool for the job. Come on.
Come on, Alan.
Yeah, be there in 1 sec. Just let me get this cover off.
Well, wait to start now, you know?
Almost got it.
Now, just stop what you're doing.
Got it.
Just stop what you're doing.